morning. Today I'm going to demonstrate the short rows on my short row slipper. This is what it looks like. That's what it looks like there. And here's the back side. You can see that on the one end you have to carry the yarn, and then this side is not. And when this slipper is finished, you'll be stitching these two sides, back and the front, these two ends. And this is going to be a number 2 striped row. And I just wanted to show you how it was done. Now the first stitch you're going to slip, and then we're going to knit 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you have 6 stitches here. Now we're going to pick up the contrasting color. Now we've made the color change, and this is a number 2 stripe for this short row, and we're going to knit within 6 stitches from the end of the opposite end of the row. Now on this pattern, I'm not doing a wrap and turn or a German short row or a Japanese short row. I'm just turning because this is in garter stitch. If you were doing a stockinette stitch, the holes that it makes would show a lot more, but in the garter stitch it really doesn't show. You can do a wrap and turn if you want to, but you really don't need to. Okay, 3 more left. Two, 4, 6. Okay, so now we're just simply going to turn. And go back the other way. This is the second row of the stripe pattern. You'll notice that you're only carrying the yarn on the back side at just one end. This end is not carried. Just this one end is when you're doing the color changes. You need to be careful not to pull it too tight or have it too loose. So we're almost to the end of this row. Okay, now we turn, go back the other way for our short row, and we pick up the white or your main color. Pick up your main color, keep that tight, and now you're just going to knit back the other way. Tighten that up a little bit. And now you're just going to finish out this row with the white. You're going to turn and come back the other way for your next stripe pattern. And that's all there is to this pattern. And there's what it looks on the back, like on the back side again. Thanks for watching.